Alright, so for this trip, we are staying at Quirinale. It's pretty close to everything. We've got the main train stations right up there. The Spanish Steps are right down there. Trevi Fountain's a 5-minute walk. So I'll show you what's up. They have a restaurant bar in here too, which is pretty nice. It also has free breakfast in the morning, so take advantage of that. Has a lot of cool meats, cheeses, coffee, bacon, bread, croissant. It's delicious. Alright, now we're gonna go take a look at the room. There's not much to it, but it really just has everything that you need. Alright, one thing you have to remember, you have to put a key in this thing. If you do not put a key in this thing, your lights and everything else will not work. But here we go. Just a little single, some nice views. We do not have the best view on this trip. We didn't upgrade, but king size bed. We won't talk too much about the bed, but you got two closets. This closet has a safe in it. You do have to ask for the key for that safe. And then of course you got a little, that didn't work out, refrigerator, little coffee pot, and then of course, just a regular bathroom. But, you know, nice room, not much to it, but a nice room. So this is where we're staying for the next couple days.